Hey everyone, Brian Diamond Paint Elliott here. How y'all doing today? I'm doing awesome. Hope y'all doing great. Hope y'all diamond painting, coloring, whatever your craft is. Crocheting, knitting, whatever. Hope y'all doing great today. It is in the evening time. I'm going to do a review for Charlie from Santa's Direct. Thank you, Nana of Seven Crafts, for letting me know the information. So I messaged him on Facebook saying I would love to do a review for you, and he said so buy the product. It was a 41 piece diamond painting toolkit, and he will refund me or refund you the price of the 41 piece set. As my dog's in the background barking. Don't mind them. Um. Anyways, squirrel. um. Yeah. Let's get into it, and I'll show you what all squirrel. the squirrels. The squirrels. The squirrels. Anyways, let's get into the kit, and let me show you what's going on with it. As you can see on my bed right here. Bloop, 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 bloop. Bleep, bleep. Whatever. I'm crazy. I'm crazy. Everybody knows it. My whole family knows it. As you can see right here, I got 30 plastic tipped pins. They have a plastic handle. They have the little plastic tips. I'm going to try them out soon. It did come with a row of wax. 10 to be exact. So 10 plus the 30, that's 40. And plus this little white tray. Oh, sorry. I apologize. Plus this white tray with the spout makes 41. So that is 30 plastic tip pins, 10 chunks of wax, and one tray makes 41 piece toolkit. So as you can see, it's a 41 piece toolkit. It was $10.99 on Amazon and sent at Santa's Direct. I didn't have Amazon Prime, so I had to buy two other items that I really wanted. You really don't have to buy other items. I just didn't want to pay shipping, so I bought me two grayscale coloring books, and I love them. And I also want to try out these drill pins. If not the drill pin part, I'm gonna try to switch out some of my metal tips on my diamond painting pins. Um, to replace them and use the plastic ones. So see how that works. Some people say they don't like them. Some people say they're okay. Some people say they're great. Um, but I need to review them and see how I like them. If not, then I'll probably send them to somebody else that's in need of the plastic tips. Maybe Donnie from Diamond Painting with Donnie. I might send them to her. I don't know. I might send them to I don't know, Karen Doss of KK's Unique Diamond Painting Pins. May send them to her. I don't know. I just gotta try them out and we'll see how they like them. One of the handles of the diamond painting pin came cracked, but I really don't care. I'm not going to use it directly there. I'm going to probably use the tip of it. I'm gonna just probably use a plastic tip, or I might put polymer clay around them because I do make polymer clay pens and cover minders. Thank you, Jeremy Fryer. Thank you, brother, for getting me back into that stuff. I did it for a little bit, and I stopped because I had to get some more clay, and I got more clay, and I've been fiddling with those, and I really need to make a video on my channel about that. So yeah, anyways, that's all I have for you. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button. If you didn't, hit the thumbs down button. Whatever. Thank you for the watch time. As I say in my other videos, happy diamond painting. Treat others that you want to be treated the same way as they treat you. And